Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display brightness. Then we have to find this option, eye comfort and sleep. And let me simply focus on the eye protection, so the, let's say, traditional eye comfort mode, and simply omit the bedtime mode. All you have to do to turn it on is to simply tap on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here you've got the smart option, which is automatic option, but if you want to customize everything, simply tap on custom. And as you can see under it, we've got the options thanks to which we can personalize this mode. Thanks to the switcher, we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer. What is more, we've got the display effects, so we can display the color, which will be of course affected by the mode, or we can display everything in the black and white manner. So here we've got the preview, you can check it. So it's totally up to you which option you prefer, maybe this one. And we can also schedule that feature, so just tap on it, tap on this switcher, and now you can simply manually set the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. So this is how it works. So basically that was the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here we've got the eye comfort icon, so let's simply tap on it to turn it on. You can see that we've got everything monochromatic, and we can see that the screen is yellow, or we can tap on it again to turn it off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.